Good evening. This presentation is provided by UNT Senior Vice President Bob Brown. We are happy to be with you tonight to provide an update on the UNT Frisco Campus Master Plan. 1 year ago, UNT entered into a strategic partnership with the City of Frisco, and a lot of progress has been made since then. While it has been a busy year, we are happy to report we completed the master planning efforts a month early. Since we now have a more clear understanding of the campus development plan, we expect to open the campus in November of 2022, providing us the opportunity for use in the spring 23 semester. Our plan outlines a 10 to 20 year vision, but is thoughtful about what we do day one and how we plan for growth over time. Our planning process included a series of planning charrettes for how the campus might evolve. We held open houses with students, faculty, and staff at our current UNT location in Hall Park. We also shared preliminary concepts with future students from Frisco ISD who were excited about providing input into the new UNT Frisco campus. The best elements from each preliminary concept have been merged into the master plan. The new campus sits atop one of the highest elevations in Frisco, offering tremendous sight lines throughout the property. The plan calls for the undergraduate spine to be centered on the elevation ridgeline. That features the Eagle Tower and culminates in an outdoor amphitheater. A graduate and executive educational corridor has been aligned with the field's development to the north of Panther Creek, and a pedestrian bridge crossing over Panther Creek will provide access to the mixed-use development there. Phase 1 of the plan will use an entrance off of Preston Road, crossing a lake bridge to a circle drive fronting the initial academic cluster. To the south, an outdoor education and conference center will leverage the preserved nature areas to create an outdoor learning laboratory. Our friends at Frisco ISD are extremely interested in partnering with UNT for summer camps and environmental science activities on this part of the campus. The conference center will also be a great retreat destination for our corporate partners in the area. Finally, both the academic cluster and the outdoor education center link to the community amphitheater, parks, and trail system that will wind throughout the campus. While Phase 1 will have capacity to support up to 5,000 students over time, the full master plan will take shape based on the student enrollment growth that we see. We fully intend to grow alongside Frisco in this journey. The architecture, materials, and features of the new campus will harken back to the main campus in Denton, and yet will create its own sense of place and character in Frisco. The new campus will be steeped with traditional elements, enabled with modern technology that support learning, collaboration, and community engagement. In summary, we are proud of our Frisco partnership and the progress we have made with the UNT Frisco Campus Master Plan. We look forward to answering any questions you may have during tonight's town hall. Thank you very much.
Here now is Paul Knippel, Director of Public Works and Engineering Services, with a look at the downtown master plan and street reconstruction.
The city is moving forward with a bundle of infrastructure projects, including the reconstruction of Main Street, of Elm Street, construction of a plaza on 4th Street, the closing of 4th Street permanently between Main and Elm. We're going to move forward with all these in a bundle so that we can maximize the efficiency for maintaining parking, access to businesses and residences, and also the throughput of traffic in the area. The improvements along Main Street will extend from North County to 1st Street. They will include a roundabout at the intersection of Frisco Square Boulevard and 2nd Street there on Main. Will involve one lane in each direction of travel, a continuous left turn lane, on-street parking, and the widening of the sidewalks in front of the businesses along Main Street. The improvements to Elm will also extend between North County and 1st Street and will also involve on-street parking, sidewalks, street lighting, landscaping. The plaza between Main and Elm will incorporate different outdoor use activity features. We're not proposing to change any of the store frontages or anything of that type, but we will improve the landscaping, the lighting, the pedestrian mobility, and just general overall access and activity in the downtown area. The total cost of all of these improvements together is estimated between $13 and $14 million. We anticipate beginning the design process later this summer and with construction beginning in late 2020 or early 2021.
This is Dana Baird, Director of Communications for the City of Frisco. In May, we got to see construction progress of Kidzania, which is being built on the north side of Stonebriar Center Mall, next door to the future Hyatt Regency Hotel. Kidzania blends education and entertainment in an interactive 80,000 square foot kid-sized city where children role play in different activities and jobs, including becoming a pilot. In fact, families will be greeted by an actual airplane fuselage. You may remember seeing the plane's part being installed using a crane back in 2017 when the project first took off. This Kidzania journey starts at a pretend airport, just like many real-life adventures. We caught up with Kidzania's Callan Maxwell, who was our tour guide.
So whenever families enter to Kidzania, they will get 50 Kidzos, which is our currency map of the city, and RFID security bracelets that are linked with parents and children. So they have to go to the bank and set up their account, and with that they can save their money, spend their money, or donate their money. And then they're really free to do whatever they would like to do.
Role-playing jobs include police officers, surgeons, reporters, and firefighters.
Fire alarm will go off. Oh no, there's a fire. Go, put the fire out. So they'll hop on the fire truck, the sirens will be going off, and then they'll drive over here, hop off, and they'll have to put the fire out.
Other make-believe businesses include a chocolate factory, bottling company, and a burger joint.
And then we have a burger shop where children will be able to make their own burgers, but then also we will have burgers for sale.
Kidzania's Chief Operating Officer, Sean McCullough, says the education element is what sets this kid-size economy apart from other entertainment venues designed for children ages 4 to 14.
Having them realize that you have to work and you get paid to work and understand what taxes are and understand how to pay, it is really kind of just a platform to develop life.
The Frisco Kidzania is the first in the U.S. and is expected to open its doors in November of this year.